Hello friends, today I am with you with a new topic, that is the memory based questions in AIMS PG 2020 June session. Yes, it is a part 1 in which the first question which we get from the students' memory is the prayer sign is seen in. The answer is diabetic ketoarthropathy. Yes, my dear friends, after having exclusion of all the options, we get this correct choice. Now the question 2 is, Wees disease causing organism is all except, minded friends, it's all and it's except. So the options are, it's a spirochete, it will grow in EMJH, it's a zoonotic, but can be seen by light microscopy. You all know that Wees disease causing organism is cannot be seen by the light microscopy. Now, which of the following is not used in CO19 safety? The answer is 1% aldehyde. Next question is, what is Hayflick's limit? Answer is cell culture limit of passages. Next question is, most specific test for carpal tunnel syndrome. The answer is Durkin test. Its specificity is 90%. Next question is the screening test for the scoliosis in school children. Its question is very important. Many of the students mark the wrong choices, but the answer is forward bending. Next question is the counter traction brace is used for. The answer is tennis elbow. There are very limited treatment for tennis elbow. Even nowadays, some of the doctors use some steroid injections, but still the counter traction brace is very commonly used for tennis elbow. Next question is, fast can't diagnose. Fast can't diagnose. If we have to exclude the most important answer or most important or most uncommon thing, then we go for pneumothorax, because with the help of fast we can diagnose a retroperitoneal hematoma, pericardial effusion, and also renal injury. Next question is the true for complete large bowel obstruction. There are 4 options, that is distended abdomen with normal flatus, dilated bowel loops with haustra visible, plica circulates on AXR, and bilious vomiting. The most correct answer is dilated bowel loops with haustra visible. Next question is the tamoxifen given for the breast cancer will not prevent. The answer is endometrial cancer. Most appropriate mesh is, answer is low weight large pore mesh. Next question is, which of the following structures are not damaged in thyroid surgery? This is a very common question, and the answer is naturally comes out of exclusion, and the best exclusive answer is marginal mandibular nerve. Now, question number 13 is, which of the following is not included in MELD score? The answer is albumin. Next question, fish tail deformity is seen in. Then it is in distal humerus fracture. Next question is, the ring sequestrum is seen in which type of osteomyelitis? The answer is spin tract osteomyelitis. Next question is the antifungal drug with antipruritic action. There are a lot of options which include the laliconazole, ketoconazole, itraconazole, but the best possible answer is sertraconazole. Yes, my dear friends, this antifungal drug have the ability of antipruritic action. Next question, the history of fever and joint pain, took NSAIDs, had rashes on nose after 1 week. Then the answer is, the best possible answer is chikungunya. Next question is 100 gram of dextrose, 40 gram protein, and 30 gram fat. In TPN, calculate the calories for TPN. I think something is missing in that, but still, what we managed to get the best answer by exclusion is answer is 880. Question Which of the following is not a part of the Rashtriya Bal Swasth Karyakram? Answer is congenital glaucoma. The next question is which of the following is a feature of a reference woman for calculating the RDA? We carefully study, then we get the weight of 55 kg is the best possible answer for feature of reference woman for calculating the RDA. Thanks my dear friends. Stay with us. The part 2 will be updated soon as our students will reciprocate their memorable things. So stay connected. Thank you.